Hey guys, Kyle with Area Home. I am on my way over to our home show giveaway prize winner. We are putting in a Leviton smart panel. I have not had the chance to actually see one of these in action yet, so I'm actually pretty excited to see the project come together. We do have to move some refrigerant lines out of the way, and I will just be clipping together some updates along through the job so you can see what that all looks like. But it's a really cool product, so we'll give you a full product rundown once we get it all in and going. So right here we have the breaker panel. This is the one that we're going to be replacing with the new Leviton smart panel. We will have to move these refrigerant lines. So you see that I've got the refrigerant pulling out of the system right now. So we'll just take these guys up and over, and then our electrician will pull out this old panel and replace it with the smart panel. Alright, so I got these refrigerant lines out of the way. Braden is going to remove this old panel. Say hi, Braden.
Hi.
Once we get the panel out, we're going to put in the new Leviton smart panel. We'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so Braden's got the new panel in. You can see that it's the new Leviton smart panel. You can see all the breakers through this cool looking glass here. I did route the refrigerant lines up and over. I'm going to have Braden tell us a little bit about this panel real fast.
This is a 30 space Leviton smart panel. It comes with a whole home monitoring, so it monitors all your power coming from the power company. That way you can check and make sure that your bill is correct. If you have any discrepancies that way, it also allows you in the app to put the cost per kilowatt, so you can estimate costs, set a budget, get alerts if you're coming close to that budget. If you look inside, it has regular standard breakers, and then it has Wi-Fi breakers. These ones with the little lights right here are Wi-Fi breakers. On her house, we did the oven, the AC, and the hot tub, her freezer, and her refrigerator.
Cool.
So
Awesome. And you can turn those on and off from the app?
Yep, you can turn and monitor them on and off from the app. It'll tell you how much power they're using. It'll also, you can set an alert so that if they turn off or trip on their own, it will tell you. That's especially helpful when it comes to your fridge and your freezer. If something happens, it'll let you know that it lost power, so you can get that taken care of. It also allows you to set custom schedules. So like if in the summertime you didn't want to run your hot tub at night because it's already hot outside, you can turn that off, and then that way those pumps don't kick on during the night on that schedule, but they automatically turn back on in the morning. So.
Cool. And she doesn't have a generator, but if they do have a generator, they can also manage that through this panel as well.
Yep, so this can hook directly to a transfer switch. You have to add another set of CTs, but it will monitor what's coming in from the generator and where that goes, and then you can set a schedule as far as like, I only want these breakers on when I'm in backup power mode, and then you can say this one's a necessary load, this one's a nice to have load, and this one I don't want on. That way you can monitor what you have on and what you have off.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah, this is a really cool panel. Thank you, Braden.